How to change country on Wise. So the first thing that we need to make sure is if our Wise is up to date. So go ahead to your App Store, click on the search bar, and type in Wise. Make sure that this button says open and not update. If it says update, then go update the Wise app. After updating, open the application. Click your account icon that can be seen here on the top left corner of your screen. From here, go down to Settings. It's under the General tab. Next up, go to Account Actions and click on Personal Details. In this page, you can change your name and your birth date, as well as your country, along with your full address, postal code, and even your phone number. After changing and inputting, click on Save here at the bottom, and your country should be changed. So that is how to change country on Wise. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.